How to accept rides on FreeNow Driver app. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's quick video, I will show you how to accept ride requests using FreeNow Driver application. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up your FreeNow Driver application. Then you have to go to the online or tap on the online button that you get on your home screen, which will let the passenger know that you're available. So turn on that toggle. As you can see on this interface, there is a green toggle. So once you do that, and whenever a ride comes in, you will see the passenger's pickup point, destination, any other extra notes. You will have a few seconds to respond. So to accept the ride, you have to tap on the green accept button to confirm the ride. Quick reactions help you secure more jobs so you can quickly accept the ride. Once accepted, the application will give you turn-by-turn navigation to the pickup location. You can also use other applications like Waze if you prefer it. Now, to confirm your passenger at a pickup point, you can confirm the passenger's name and details before starting your ride, where the safety comes first. Then, all you have to do is follow the in-app route to drop them off. Once you arrive, all you have to do is tap on complete ride. Now, after you drop off the rate, or you could rate the passengers and view your earnings, payments are processed weekly right into your account. So that's it. That's how you can accept rides via FreeNow Driver application, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.